Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in perspective so your 3D eye sits believably in space. Start with a 1 or 2 point horizon, place vanishing point, S, and draw orthogonal guides. Once done, establish a light source and note its angle. This determines highlights and shadows. Sketch the front face of the lowercase I, a vertical rectangle for the stem and a separate circle or square for the dot, aligning edges to your perspective lines so the proportions read correctly. Now you extrude the front shapes into volume by projecting their edges toward the vanishing point, S. That creates the thickness of the stem and the dot. Make sure depths are consistent. Measure one edge and repeat. Refine corners. Choose sharp bevels or rounded fillets because they affect highlights. Once refined, indicate top and bottom planes and reinforce visible edges with heavier lines while keeping hidden edges lighter so the form reads as three-dimensional. To finish, you block in value. Lay down core shadow, midtones, and a crisp highlight where the light hits, explaining why each value defines volume. Then paint the cast shadow on the ground, matching its direction and hardness to the light. Soften edges for diffuse light. Once the rendering reads, clean up contours and add small specular dots if the surface is glossy. Troubleshooting tip: if the shape flattens, recheck vanishing alignment and shadow placement. Adjust those too, and the form will pop back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.